Hi, my name is Nandini Krishnamurthy. Many of you already know me. Welcome to my channel called Knowledge with Nandini. A little about me. I have worked in the hospital industry, mainly the CSSD, for over 40 years. I have worked in Hinduja Hospital, Jaslok Hospital and Fortis Hospital in Mumbai and the prestigious Sir Gangaram Hospital in Delhi. I have also been a CSSD consultant and visited over 100 large and small hospitals, guiding and assisting in developing CSSD protocols, conducting audits, holding over 400 lectures and seminars and helping in setting up CSSDs. I'm the founder of ISHA, an all India body for CSSD personnel and others associated with this department like surgeons, nurses, OT technicians, microbiologists and administrators, and I have written a textbook which is under publication. Let's start with the basics of CSSD. CSSD stands for Central Sterile Supply Department. Department means that it is not just a room with autoclaves fitted within, but a full-fledged facility for producing sterile goods. About its location, the department should be close to the OT, obviously because the OT uses 80% or more of its products. The CSSD should be a floor above, a floor below or next to the OT. The CSSD should also be centrally located with ready access by lifts, dumb waiters, etc. to all service areas such as the ICU, OPD, inpatient units and emergency unit. So what are the functions of the CSSD? The primary functions of the CSSD is to provide an efficient, economic, continuous and quality supply of sterilized items when needed to all patient care service units in the hospital and to receive returned contaminated items for cleaning. This process is known as the decontamination life cycle. As you well know, the objectives of the CSSD are to provide supplies of instruments, linen packs, basins and other sterile items used in patient care, monitor this process, maintain supplies and equipment inventory and stay updated with developments within the field. Now a tip from me, please don't say things like, why can't the washing be done in wards? It's better if Cath Lab does their own packing and gives us just to sterilize. This is wrong. Anything that needs sterilization and is being sterilized in your department should preferably be washed and packed by you only, or if necessary to do in another department, by our techniques and under our supervision. Please don't shirk your responsibilities. The field of central service has been neglected for a long time. This is a well-known fact. It is true even in advanced countries like the US. We are a professional body requiring extensive knowledge and skills and should be respected as such. But for that, we need to do our jobs well, with great honesty. Manpower and space will be allotted by the management once they are convinced of the value we are adding to the service. So what are the qualifications of a CSSD technician? He must have the ability to effectively speak, read, write and follow instructions. Most importantly, he should be willing to learn. Also, 9 months to 1 year on-the-job training for new candidates and if possible, CSSD certification is desirable. Thank you so much for listening. Bye now.